Okay guys, right now it's really rainy outside. We're preparing for the hurricane. What was it again? Idalia. I keep forgetting that name. It's really weird to me. But yeah, it's very windy outside. I think my shoe's about to fall off. So, yes, speaking of that, is that my shoe? What is my shoe doing here? That's my favorite shoe. Get back your shoe. No! Dang it! Looks like my shoe blew away. Well, you gotta be careful. Wait, there it is! You guys gotta be careful. Maybe your shoes will get lost in the wind. See you guys next time. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell. Bye, guys. It's really raining out here. I need to go take a shower.